Hi, I'm Sanskriti.
Hi, my name is Rohit.
My name is Dipti Nair.
Hello.
The idea of being able to speak a variety of languages at once has always been on my bucket list. And to learn a language such as Mandarin from a country so different from my own, with a different culture altogether, well, a very intriguing notion that I had to check out. And to be completely honest, it looks great on college applications.
The reason why I started learning Mandarin is for my business. So we trade terracotta construction materials, and the plan is to import from China in the future. And another reason why I started learning Mandarin is purely because of my fascination for the country. So yeah, these are my two reasons.
I'm a banker by profession, and blockchain is one of the new technologies doing banking better, that is helping banking grow better. And China is leading in blockchain. The reason for me taking up Mandarin as a language is because of blockchain. Shishi Niman, thank you.
Basically, what is a necessity for me to learn Chinese? So I work with an automotive sector. I'm associated with one of the companies that is an automotive service company. So we deal with different kinds of customers or clients, like we have Chinese, Germans, Americans. So there came this necessity that we had to interact with Chinese customers or like clients. So my company was looking for someone who could be level 1, that is HSK 1 and 2 certified, so that at least we have the basic Chinese understanding of how to talk or like how to interact with them.